what he's doing.
Yeah.
You can go somewhere?
Where did you get that water from? I asked her if she got it from the toilet and she said no.
You got it out of this. You get it from here?
I think he's gonna hit your truck before he comes down.
She used all the water. So she went back inside and got more.
Uh-oh.
You guys back?
Did you hear him? Uh-oh.
Look at.
Is that technically his first word?
No. That was her first word, though.
There he goes.
No, Mommy, no.
It's okay, honey. I'm watching him. It's alright.
No, Lexi's first word was optical. Actually, yeah, that is pretty cool. How would your first word be optical?
You are sneaky.